Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to add your group photo to a QR code for your Telegram group using the latest update on the PC app. This feature makes it easier than ever to share your group and give it a personal touch. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head over to the group where you're an admin. Only group admins can generate and customize QR codes for their groups. Once you're inside your group chat, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots. This opens the group's options menu. From here, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings. Inside the management menu, find and click on Group Type. This section lets you adjust the group's privacy and invite settings. Now, look for the group link. You'll see three dots next to it. Click on those. A small menu will appear with more options. From this menu, choose Get QR Code. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a preview of your group's QR code and you'll notice a new option, Enable Group Photo. Click to enable it. Instantly, your group's photo will appear in the center of the QR code, making it unique and instantly recognizable. You can now save this QR code to your computer or share it directly with others. Anyone who scans this QR code will be able to join your group, and they'll see your group photo right in the middle of the code, making it more personal and trustworthy. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've created a custom QR code for your Telegram group, complete with your group photo. It's a great way to attract new members and make your group stand out. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and fellow admins. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded Telegram group experience.